Hey Neha, weekend's almost here. Got any plans?
Hey Aisha, not really, just planning to rest. Why?
I was thinking, how about a quick weekend trip? Just the two of us. We need a break.
Ooh, I like the sound of that. But where? And are we not too late to plan?
How about a one-night trip to Lake Tahoe? It's just a 5-hour drive.
Lake Tahoe. Sounds fun. We can go hiking, relax by the lake, and maybe even do some kayaking.
Exactly. And the weather is perfect right now. Not too hot, not too cold.
Okay. But what about the stay? Will we get a place at such short notice?
There's a cute lakeside camp available on Saturday night. Cozy vibes, a little deck, and breakfast included.
Wow, you were really planning this already.
Guilty. I just really needed a break from the routine.
Same here. Okay, let's do it. What time should we leave?
If we leave by 6 a.m. on Saturday, we'll reach around 11. We'll have the whole day to explore.
Perfect. I'll start packing tonight. What do we need?
Basic stuff. Comfortable clothes, sunscreen, sunglasses, maybe a light jacket for the evening. Oh, and don't forget your ID.
Got it. Do we need to book kayaking in advance?
I'll call them and check. I think they take walk-ins, but better to be safe.
And how much is the whole thing going to cost?
Pretty reasonable. Around $150 for the cabin and about $40 for kayaking. Gas cost will split.
That's not bad at all. I'm in.
Yay! This is going to be so much fun. Finally, some girl time and fresh air.
I can already feel the stress melting away. Thank you for pushing this idea.
Anytime. I'll send you the checklist in a bit and confirm the booking.
Cool, and I'll bring snacks for the road.
Deal. Can't wait. Let's make this weekend count.
Let's do it. See you tomorrow morning at 6.